to add more.
Hi everyone. This is actually not a grocery haul, surprisingly. The lockdown is finally lifted in Toronto, so we're in the gray zone, meaning stores are open just at a smaller capacity. So we made our way to our local Value Village. So anyone who's not in Canada, that's just our thrift store, one of our thrift stores here. They have a program called Stash a Bag in the baby section. So they have 3 different sized bags and each bag correlates to a different price. So whatever you can stash in that bag, you get it for that price. So the smallest they have is $2.99. So I was able to fit 6 little zippered onesies. These are a preferred one. Actually, no, sorry, this one's not zippered, but these are preferred onesies just so we can zip her in and out in the middle of the night when we need to change her. And yeah, they're from like Carter's. This one's Baby Gap. I don't know what that one's from. This one's a Disney one. This one's George, and then this one's Carter's as well. But yeah, 6 of them, so 50 cents a piece. So honestly, check out your thrift stores for cheap baby clothes. Bye. Hi everyone, I am back with another video with my cat in the back there, judging. Anyways, so went to a different Valley Village this time. And I had mentioned in one of my other videos, I mentioned their stash a bag section. So they have 3 different sized bags that if you stash them with however many items you can, and then you pay that price. So I filled the $2.99, the smallest bag, and I got 8 pieces of baby clothing. So I got these little cute onesies. Again, we love the zippered ones. Those are easy to get in and out of. This one is adorable. And then yeah, so $2.99 for 8 of them. So they end up being about 37 cents a piece. So most of the baby clothes that we have, I accumulated while I was pregnant on a Facebook mom group, and I got, I'd say 99% of her clothing for free, all hand-me-downs from strangers, and they were in fantastic condition. So now we're able to get the things that we know we want, and I'm able to get them for super, super cheap. And again, we're reusing. I'm not even buying anything from the actual stores brand new. It's all reuse, reduce, recycle. Bye, guys.